Your first international flight is coming up. Exciting, right? It's a huge milestone and you're about to open the door to a world of new experiences. Whether you're traveling for adventure, study, or to visit loved ones, this journey is the beginning of something unforgettable. It's normal to feel both thrilled and a bit nervous. The airport can seem overwhelming, but remember, every seasoned traveler started exactly where you are now, full of anticipation and a few butterflies. This guide is here to walk you through every step, so you'll know exactly what to expect. From the moment you start packing to the second you step onto the plane, we'll be with you, making sure nothing catches you off guard. By the end, you'll be striding through the airport with confidence. You'll know how to navigate check-in, security, and boarding like a pro, and you'll feel ready for anything that comes your way. Preparation is key. We'll cover everything from packing to finding your gate. We'll share tips on what to bring, how to organize your documents, and how to keep your essentials handy. No question is too small. Our goal is to make you feel at ease. If you're unsure about anything, remember that airport staff are there to help, and you're never alone in this process. This isn't just a flight. It's the start of a story you'll tell for years. Every journey begins with a single step, and this one is yours to cherish and remember. Take a deep breath and let the excitement take over. Embrace the unknown, and trust that you're ready for this adventure. Your ticket to a new world is booked, and you're about to embark on an incredible journey. The sights, sounds, and cultures waiting for you will broaden your horizons in ways you can't yet imagine. Let's get you ready for takeoff. We'll make sure you're prepared, comfortable, and excited for every moment ahead. Forget the nerves. Focus on the memories you're about to make. Capture every moment, and don't be afraid to celebrate your first flight. Ready? Let's start with what you need to do before you even leave the house. A little planning now will make your journey smooth and stress-free. We'll make sure you have all the info you need for a smooth first flight. From travel documents to airport tips, you'll be fully prepared. This is your moment. Let's make it a success. You're about to create memories that will last a lifetime. Now let's dive into getting everything sorted. Your adventure starts right here, and we're with you every step of the way. First things first, check your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates, as many countries require this for entry. If it's close to expiring, renew it as soon as possible to avoid any last-minute stress or denied boarding. Next, research whether you need a visa for your destination. Some countries allow visa-free entry, while others require an application in advance. Start this process early, as approvals can take time and you don't want to risk delays. Keep your flight confirmation handy. Save it on your phone and print a copy just in case. Remember to check in online 24 hours before departure to secure your seat and save time at the airport. Print or save your boarding pass and hotel booking confirmations. Immigration officers may ask to see proof of your return flight and accommodation, so have these documents easily accessible. Pack your essentials: a universal travel adapter, phone chargers, any medication you need, with prescriptions, and a pen for filling out landing cards or customs forms. These small items can make a big difference. Bring a change of clothes and basic toiletries in your carry-on, just in case your checked bag is delayed. It's also smart to carry some cash in the local currency for taxis, tips, or small purchases when you arrive. Keep all your important documents, passport, boarding pass, visa, and travel insurance, in your carry-on bag or a travel wallet. This keeps everything secure and within reach. Staying organized is key. Use packing cubes or pouches to separate your items, and review your checklist before zipping up your suitcase. A little preparation goes a long way to keeping you calm and confident. Don't forget your comfort items: face wipes, cozy socks, and snacks for the journey. These can make long flights or layovers much more pleasant. Double-check your packing list before you leave home. It's easy to overlook something important in the rush, so take a moment to review everything. With everything sorted and packed, you're ready to head out the door and make your way to the airport with confidence. Now let's move on to the next step: check-in and bag drop, where your journey truly begins. Arrive at the airport with plenty of time to spare, so you can move through each step without feeling rushed or stressed. For international flights, it's best to get there at least 3 hours before departure. This gives you enough time to handle any unexpected delays, long lines, or last-minute changes. Once inside, Look for the large departure boards to find your airline's check-in desk. These screens will show you exactly where to go, so you don't waste time wandering. Have your passport, flight details, and any required travel documents ready to hand over to the staff at the counter. Being prepared helps the process go smoothly. Place your suitcase on the scale at the check-in counter. The staff will weigh it, tag it for your destination, and make sure it meets airline requirements. If you haven't already printed your boarding pass at home, you'll receive an official one here. This is your key to getting through the rest of the airport. Double-check that your name, flight number, and gate are correct on your boarding pass. Mistakes can cause problems later, so it's worth a careful look. Enjoy the relief of being free from your heavy luggage. Now you can move around the terminal with just your carry-on and essentials. If your gate hasn't been assigned yet, keep an eye on the screens for updates. Gates can change, so it's important to stay alert. With your bags checked and boarding pass in hand, you're ready to head to security and immigration. Follow the signs and join the line. Take a moment to breathe and relax. You've completed the first big step of your journey, and you're doing great. Keep your passport, boarding pass, and any other important documents handy for the next steps. You'll need them again soon. As you walk toward the departure gates, remember you're one step closer to your adventure. The hardest part is already behind you. Next up, let's tackle security and immigration together, so you can get to your gate with confidence. Head to immigration, join the queue, and have your passport and boarding pass ready. Answer the officer's questions honestly. Purpose of visit, length of stay where you're staying. Show your hotel booking if asked. Once approved, you'll get your passport stamped, a proud moment. Next is security screening. Place your carry-on, coat, and metal items in a tray for X-ray. Remove large electronics and liquids, under 100 milliliters, in a clear bag. Walk through the metal detector. If it beeps, follow staff instructions. Collect your belongings on the other side. Take your time to repack and get comfortable. Security is routine. Stay calm and follow directions. You're through the toughest part. Now it's time to relax before your flight. Let's get ready for boarding. You're in the departure lounge. Relax, grab a snack, and check your gate number. Locate your gate early. Some airports are huge. Keep an eye on the screens for updates or gate changes. Make sure your phone is charged. Boarding usually starts 30-45 minutes before takeoff. Join the queue when your group or zone is called. Show your passport and boarding pass at the gate. Walk down the air bridge. This is it. Find your seat, stow your bag, and buckle up. You've navigated the airport like a pro. Enjoy the view as the plane takes off. A new adventure awaits at your destination. Have an amazing trip.